ever pondered the significance of monitoring your blood oxygen saturation and heart rate? Well, it's crucial for many reasons. It can help assess your fitness level, especially after a workout. It's a vital tool for people with respiratory conditions like asthma, COPD, or sleep apnea, allowing them to keep tabs on their oxygen levels. Even at home, it's handy to monitor health, particularly during illness. A finger pulse oximeter can help you do just that. But what is it, and how do you use it? A finger pulse oximeter is a small clip-on device that measures your blood oxygen saturation and heart rate. It operates by shining light through your fingertip, measuring the amount absorbed by hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells that transports oxygen. Although generally accurate, a margin of error of plus or minus 2 to 3% is possible. These devices are used for monitoring respiratory conditions, assessing fitness, and spot-checking health at home. However, it's important to remember that a finger pulse oximeter is not essential for everyone, and it should not be used for self-diagnosis. Using a finger pulse oximeter is straightforward. First, insert your fingertip, typically the index finger, into the device. Ensure your hand is warm and still for accuracy. Power on the device and patiently wait for the reading to stabilize. This usually happens within 10 to 30 seconds. Once you have a stable reading, record your SpO2 and heart rate. It's as simple as that. But beware, there are some common mistakes that can affect your readings. While using a finger pulse oximeter, be careful not to make these common mistakes. First, never use it on a cold finger. Warm your hands for accurate readings. Second, keep your hand still while taking a reading. Third, if you're wearing dark nail polish, remove it or use another fingertip. Lastly, don't misinterpret results. This device is an aid, not a diagnostic tool. Remember, a finger pulse oximeter is a tool, not a medical diagnosis. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have any health concerns. You might be wondering, what are the benefits of using a pulse oximeter in regards to sleep? Well, there are several. 1. Pulse oximeters can help detect sleep apnea. They monitor drops in oxygen levels during sleep, which can be indicative of this common sleep disorder. 2. By tracking oxygen levels, pulse oximeters can provide insights into the quality of your sleep. Are you reaching the deep, restorative stages of sleep your body needs? A pulse oximeter can help answer that. And 3. Regular monitoring can help identify potential health issues related to sleep disorders before they become more serious. So, while a pulse oximeter can provide valuable insights, remember it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your sleep or overall health.